India and Nepal have had a formidable bilateral relationship since time immemorial, and an improved connectivity for the purpose of trade, strategic depth and people-to-people connection has been considered a key component to the ever-prospering ties. India has not just maintained that Nepal is its perennial friend, but has committed selflessly to Himalayan nations' construction, reconstruction post-earthquake and development at larger scale. A railway section was recently opened under the same line of efforts to support Nepal. Have a look.
Equipped with latest technology, Janakpur-Jayanagar railway link that has been constructed with Indian assistance is ready to be operational. The two sides hosted a formal gathering on the occasion and underlined the efforts being made on both sides to speedily enhance the multi-level ties between them. Under the grant assistance of the Government of India, the gauge conversion of around 35-kilometer narrow gauge section into broad gauge from Jayanagar in India to Kurtha in Nepal was constructed. 35-kilometer Jayanagar-Kurtha section is part of a nearly 70-kilometer Jayanagar-Bijalpura-Bardibas rail link being developed under Indian grant assistance of 8.77 billion Nepalese rupees.
आज जयनगर बिजलपुरा बर्दिवास को जयनगर कुर्ता खंड को रेलवे संरचना को हस्तांतरण ले नेपाल में ब्रॉड गेज लाइन डेमू ट्रेन सेट सहित आधुनिक रेल सेवा संचालन को ढोका खुले को मैले महसूस गरेको छु.
While the two sides had earlier pledged to jointly develop small sections, they now have committed to take it to next and broader level this year. Now a gigantic project comprises building a broad gauge rail line between Kathmandu and Raxaul that will link Nepal's capital Kathmandu with the Indian railway network, providing access to all Indian cities. The railway system will pass through the historical town of Janakpur, which is of great religious significance to both sides. Experts believe the $3.15 billion project will also prove cornerstone to robust bilateral and strategic ties between the two sides.
The connectivity between the people of our two countries is one of the central features of Prime Minister Modi's neighborhood first policy in our region. Why? Because connectivity lies at the very heart of everything that we as a society do, that we as a country do, and then we as a people do. Whether it's economic activity, cultural exchanges, or even just very simple exchanges between the people of the two countries.
Calling Nepal a perennial partner of New Delhi, India has consistently backed and supported its development endeavours. From small-scale development projects to providing assistance in its reconstruction and gasoline lines, India has ensured the pace of development in Nepal grows exponentially. Before being hit by the second wave of the COVID pandemic, which had severely affected India, New Delhi had generously supported Nepal in its vaccination process too. And now, when it has resumed its global export of vaccine, Nepal is going to be one of the prime beneficiaries. The visits and reciprocal visits of top leadership in two countries are also suggestive of rapidly deepening ties between the two. With an open border, while the citizens of the two countries do not differentiate and discriminate between two sides, the joint leadership has ensured the bond is strengthened with every rising sun.